Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We just put this limit for the both side of this one. Next, I will put negative number 4 going here and negative number 4 going here and here. So if we calculate in here, we have negative number 4 and negative number 4 in here. So we use about Sweet theorem. So the limit in here, on the left we have negative number 4, on the right we have negative number 4. So the limit in here equals to negative number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.